Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I'm going to show you this very cute and tiny 3D quilling Santa Claus. This is a miniature quilling. It will look like this. Isn't it cute? So let's start with procedure. For this we need some red color and white color 3mm strips, black 5mm strips, quilling tool, quilling mold, liquid glue and red color cardstock. First I am starting with making the body of Santa. For this I am using total 20 strips to make a big tight coil, and my one strip length is 45 cm. Here I am using red color strips. So after adding 20 strips, the big tight coil will look like this. Now make a dome shape slowly using your fingers. Since these are 3mm strips, so you have to be very careful while making the dome shape. Now add glue inside this and let it dry. Similarly, I have created this tight coil using 10 strips to make a hat of Santa Claus. In the similar way, I am making one more dome. Twist this side little bit to make a hat shape. Add glue inside this and let it dry for some time. Now both the shapes are ready and dry completely. Now I will show you how to make the hands. For this I am making one tight coil using 3 strips of red color. So the tight coil is ready. Now make a cone shape. You can also use pencil to make a cone shape like this. Add glue inside this and let it dry for some time. Now I will show you how to make palm. For this again I am making one tight coil using 3 strips of peach color. Loose this tight coil a little bit. Secure the end using glue and make a teardrop shape like this. Now I will connect the palm with the hand. So add glue and connect to this. So the hands are ready. Now I will show you how to make leg. For this I am taking my pen to make a ring, and here I am adding 4 strips together to enlarge this ring. So just roll it till the end of 4th strip. So the ring is ready. Now again make a dome shape using your fingers. Add little glue inside this and let it dry. So leg are ready. Now take a red color cardstock and take the biggest dome which we have created for the body. Add little glue on the edge of this dome and connect with red color cardstock. Now cut excess paper or excess cardstock from the dome. Like this. Now I will connect both the legs with this dome. So add glue and connect legs with this and let it dry for some time. Now I am making socks for Santa. For this I am using 5mm white color strip, and again I am making the ring using single strip with the same process as we did before. I am adding this socks with the legs like this. Now I am taking one piece of yellow color paper to make a belt buckle of Santa. Cut this like this to make a square shape. Now cut excess paper from all four sides like this. Now I will add belt and shirt line or neckline. For this I am adding white color strip, and then I will add black color strip as a belt. Add this tiny square which we have cut on this, so it will look like a buckle. So add this black strip around this dome. So after adding black and white strips, it will look like this. Now I am adding the neck of the Santa. For this I have created one tight coil using 2 strips of peach color. Now I am making the face. For this I have created this dome shape using 7 strips of peach color, and for the back side of the face I am using 7 strips of white color to make a big tight coil. So it's done. I am making a dome shape using my quilling mold. Like this. Add glue inside this. Spread it using your brush and let it dry for some time. Now it's dry, so I will add both front and back faces with each other like this, and I will connect this whole face with the body of the Santa. Add glue to the neck and connect like this. Hold it for some time. Similarly, I will connect hands and I will add other hand in the same way. I will show you how to make shoes. For this I have created 2 tight coils using black color 5mm strips. For big tight coil I have used 3 strips, and I am making a dome shape. Add little glue inside this. And for small tight coil I have used 2 strips, and I am making dome and adding some glue. Now connect both the domes with each other to form a boot. So boots are ready. Now I will connect these boots to the legs of Santa. Add glue and connect both the boots like this. Now it can stand. Now here I am adding some face parts. So I have created this tiny nose using 2mm peach color strip and made one teardrop shape. For lips I am adding this tiny strip of red color. For eyes I am adding tiny black color circles. You can also use googly eyes. And for eyebrow I have used tiny white color strips. Like this. And at the end I am adding moustache. So I have created this using 2mm white color strip. Now I will add some hairs to the Santa. For this I have created this by adding some white 3mm strip to the single strip. So add glue to the head and connect this around the head using glue. Now take your quilling tool and start rolling hairs one by one like this. Add little glue and connect each hair. like this. Similarly, I will do with others. So it's done. Now I will connect hat to the Santa's head. Add glue and connect it. Now for other hairs I am using 1/8 strip of white color and making some open coils or open scrolls. Now I am adding the beard for this. First add glue and add these small open scrolls one by one. Like this. So after adding beard it will look like this. Now add hairs all around the face and back side. So after adding whole beard and hairs, the Santa will look like this. Very cute. And I have added one small fringe flower on the top of the hat. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.